Okay, you guys, we went to a lot of studios, but now we're going to go to a penthouse apartment. Come on in. Look up here. It's humongous. Look at this bed. You could go all the way around it.
What the heck is that?
Walk-in closet. Look at this thing.
Shut the front door.
It's huge. Crazy, huh? Nice
Seat
shower,
in the shower.
seat in the shower. So there's two sinks. You can push this. Well, they have it blocked, but you can push this for your power station to go up and down. Covers, wood shelves. Put your shoes on. Here's the living room. I don't know how you. The back door. And full size.
It's a big oven.
Yeah, it's big.
Does this fold away?
I've seen those in others.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Smart.